Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial. In our previous tutorial we have created this C clamp assembly with the help of a default workbench, and now in this tutorial we will learn how we can create a exploded view. As you can see that I have created a exploded view, and here you can see my tweak, and I will show you how you can create this type of exploded view for any assembly. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So I will delete this exploded view, and I will show you from the scratch how you can create this type of exploded view. So I will select and delete it. So when you activate the default assembly workbench and you activate your assembly, so here you will see the option of create exploded view. Click on it, and here you will see the options single as a solid. So for example, I wanted to keep this part as it is, and I will move this cap and this two circular part to the outside. So I will click on it. So here part as a single solid, I will press the control key, and this is a single group. And here if you see the UCS, so here is a X, Y and Z. So I wanted to move it outside, so I will select it and move it. So this whole selections consider as a single solid. Click on OK, and now place our view to the isometric. Now I wanted to move this cap, and I will move it outside. Then I will select it and move it outside, and click on OK, and I will go to the exploded view and see my exploded view. Now how you can customize the position in an exploded view. So go to the exploded view, so you will see these tweak lines, and you can on the tweak lines. For example, this consider as a single group, and I have selected this cylindrical components and this cap, and tweak it to the outside. And if I go its property, so you will find here the positions. So here I wanted to make it to the, for example, 120, and I will hide it, then I will on it. So this is the tweak line for this cap. So let's move it to the X direction. Let it is 64. So let's make it 80, and I will tweak this, and this is the minus X. So I will give it minus 80, and I will off this tweak line and activate my exploded view. So now you can see that this and this look at exact symmetric positions if we go to the top view. So this is how we can customize the positions of our exploded view. Click on OK. So this is the very small tutorial to create a exploded view in a FreeCAD. Previously there was a special add-ons to create a exploded view, but in current default assembly workbench it has been included inside the assembly workbench, which is the very good part. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.